what to do if your quadratus lumborum is bothering you or are bothering you. Those are two muscles on either side of your spine. They're pretty deeply set in the body, so you can't really feel them. They have a few jobs, two of which are to stabilize the lower rib cage and then to allow you to bend or flex side to side. So I'm going to offer you a few side body stretch options that you could consider to see if maybe you'll get some relief if you find that that's an area of your body that's aggravating you. First up would be to bring your arms up and overhead, interlace your fingers, turn your palms towards the ceiling. Tilt to one side. Press into the opposite leg. So I'm tilting this way and I'm pressing into that leg. Rising back up and doing that on the other side. Pausing for a few breaths on each side. Another variation would be to once again bring the arms up, hold on to one wrist as you reach up, and then tilt to one side. Come back, switch, holding on to the other wrist, and come to the other side. If your shoulders bother you, you prefer not to have your arms up above you, you can do something like this. Stand with your arms at your sides, bending into your knees as you take a side body stretch this way. So those are a couple of options that you can take to perhaps get some pain relief in your QLs.